One word. That's all you need. To sound native instantly. The word is like. No, not I like pizza like. Filler like. It's like really cool. I was like, what? She's like my best friend. Teachers told you it's wrong. They lied. Natives use it to buy time, to think, to soften. Drop one like in your next sentence and watch them think you grew up here. Still saying every word perfectly? That's the giveaway.